we don't have time.
No. Slow down, come be with me.
Okay, I've got everything you need right here.
You're the best.
Dave, how much longer are you gonna be doing this?
So long, I can't stop.
Dave.
Do it with me.
I'm leaving.
Have it your way. I know I'm late, but it's okay.
No, we don't have time to wait.
We're gonna have the best time.
Dave, you have to change.
You remember when you got all mad cause I threw out that flyer?
That was not a flyer, I told you.
Yes, it was.
No, it was a save the
The
date.
same thing, it's gonna end up on a fridge either way.
Fine.
This weekend you're gonna dance with me.
Yes, of course, I love you, but we really gotta go right now.
Fine, it was fun while it lasted.
I fucked the whole thing up. I did it all backwards. Now I'm all alone with my rap verse. I could barely share a password. I said we'd dance, I left you there. I left me there too. You had my back, I puked on you. I chased my dream so much it ran. I can't make jokes without your laugh, it seems. I'd do anything to melt you. I took you for granted. I'll give you belly rubs till I did you like the rabbit. It's killing me to kill you. And you were the magic, but I fucked the whole thing up. I did it all backwards. Now I'm all alone with my rap verse. You were the best at my worst. And I miss you, Ollie. Hoot hoot. I'm lost without you. Hoot hoot. And you know about me. I know you think you won't grow around me, but there's a lot you don't know about me. Meet me at the spot, you won't go without me. Or maybe I'm just in denial. I just thought that what we had was undeniable. Narrators aren't always so reliable. I know I said what I should have done, then I stole your heart like a hoodlum. I know all types of ways to make you laugh, but you know in the end I'll make you sad. And I know in the end I'll make you proud. But if you wanted closure, I'm the wrong guy around. But maybe we could take a chance tonight. Maybe we could do it right. Maybe I could do it all over again, or not. Maybe we'll just be best friends, or not. Maybe we'll just try to pretend that it's not. That's a lot. I would tell you I was wrong, but I'm right. I could ask for another night with this song, but I'd rather have another song for a night, cause maybe then I'll get to see my girl for the night. I fucked the whole thing up. I did it all backwards. Now I'm all alone with my rap verse. You were the best at my worst. And I miss you, Ollie. Hoot hoot. I'm lost without you.